leaders to make a difference.
There you have it. See, a potential leader, he has to realize that it's us who have to take the lead.
Sure.
We just sort of depend on other people to, start something. Why? Why just sit around? Think about it. We just sit around doing nothing.
Apart from complaining.
So this is your chance. Take an initiative. Take the lead. Everybody can make a difference. It's just a matter of trying, and the intention, the power of intention is huge. If you just take an intention that you want to make a difference in the society, what you need is small leads, and the moment you start off, things always start to fall into place, and a cause always starts to live on more than the person.
Fantastic.
And that's the way to live.
Most definitely. Thank you very much, Arthur, for being in the studio with us today. People, this is our chance for empowerment. If we really want to make a difference, without ourselves standing up there in the elections, there are ways to do it.
Yeah.
And TW is just one of them. So thank you very much once again for being in the studio
You're
with us
welcome.
today. People, seriously, let's get out there. Let's show how aware we are at 89. Get on the website right now and let's make a difference.
Right, thank you.
मेरी हस्ती में आना है, मेरी मस्ती में जाफिजा मेरा तो भैया है, तो चीज़ी है है वतन सारे वतन, है वतन सारे वतन, पाक वतन है मेरे सारे वतन, है वतन सारे वतन। तू दिल अफरोज बहारों का तरोताज़ा चमन, तू दिल अफरोज बहारों का तरोताज़ा चमन, तू महकते हुए फूलों का सुहाना गुलशन, तू नवारे बहारी मस्कन, रंगो आहूर से मामूर तेरे मोहब्बत, है वतन सारे वतन, है वतन सारे वतन, पाक वतन है मेरे सारे वतन, है वतन सारे वतन। मेरा दिल तेरी मोहब्बत का है जान बख्श गया, मेरा दिल तेरी मोहब्बत का है जान बख्श गया, मेरा सीना तेरी हुर्मत का है अलीम मसाल, मेरे महबूब वतन तुझ पे